Night to the back. Yo, you know who it is. What's up? First of all, again, apologize for my delay. You know, school, work, pandemic, whatever. Honestly, just been kind of lazy to do shit. But you know what? Fuck it. Today I got a how-to video for y'all. Gonna be changing out the O2 sensors on my sister's car. She owns a 2014 Kia Rio LX. Pretty simple procedure, man. It's fairly easy only because there's so much room to work with. They're like located right after the exhaust manifold, in between the fucking catalytic converter. Easy access, man. Today we're gonna be having some fun with that. It's an easy process. Like I said, only because we have room to work with. So let's go on, let's get these babies down.
And here we are, guys. This is the engine bay of 2014 Kia Rio. If you guys are not familiar, I know this is pretty fucking dusty. My sister's car. So you guys aren't sure what to look for. It's right there. Like I said, we have a lot of room to work with, so it should be fairly easy. They come and connect right here, and the back right here. So the connections are at. So first and foremost, we start by disconnecting the negative terminal. After that, we can go ahead and disconnect the batteries. They do have a O2 sensor tool. It's basically a socket that goes within the wires. That's especially like if you have no space to work with. But since we have a good amount of space, I can use a wrench. The wrench size we're using for this, 7/8. So let's go ahead and get this bitch started. Check it out. I got the O2 sensors out. As you can see, these are pretty fucking bad. I already burnt the fuck up. So something I should have mentioned. My sister has a light on. It reads a P0420, which is basically in simpler terms, either your catalytic converter is fucked or your O2 sensors are fucked. Those are the two top reasons of that code. The whole reason for this change is that my sister needs to get her inspection done. In order for the inspection to pass, the car had to pass the test. Of course, that came out. So, easiest solution, easiest fix, cheapest fix, O2 sensors. Check that out first before you even go to the catalytic converter. Because as you know, catalytic converters are expensive. Even just the part and labor for it is expensive as well. So let's go ahead and put these babies in. They did give me some what's this shit called? Anti-seize, so you know this shit won't seize up. They weren't hard to take off either, so go ahead and get that bitch going. There we have it, guys. We installed the new O2 sensors. Look how nice and clean they look. Honestly, it took like about less than an hour. Shouldn't take that much. I had to do my own shit, like my own little installation right there. Cut some off from the old one, just to cover it up with some tape as well. Fairly, I hope if this doesn't fix a problem, then it's obviously the catalytic converter. The good thing about this, if she does change the catalytic converter, well, guess what? She has a new converter and she has new O2 sensors, so she'll be good. Now we just put everything back and use a little fix. I know this wasn't like the biggest or longest informative video that I put out, but it's an easy fix in case you guys want to do, you know, small little nicks and knacks with your car or with someone's car that you know at least. Of
course, take the proper measures. Don't just fucking do it like crazy. Look it up. Look at the owner's manual. Look it up. The process, even if it's YouTube or this one. You get the hang of it, guys. Well, appreciate you guys' time. Short video, but it's something. Catch y'all later.